Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to present food on the plate. First, select a plate that complements your dish, ensuring it's not too large or too small. Think about the overall visual balance, aiming for a harmonious arrangement of colors, textures, and shapes. A well-plated dish enhances the dining experience, making your food look as delicious as it tastes. We'll cover practical tips to elevate your culinary creations. When arranging your food, position the main protein as the star, typically slightly off-center. Then, strategically place your vegetables and starches around it, creating a sense of movement. Aim for odd numbers of components, like 3 asparagus spears, as this often looks more natural and visually interesting. Remember, every element on the plate should have a purpose and contribute to the overall aesthetic. Garnishes and sauces are crucial for adding the finishing touches. Drizzle sauces elegantly, perhaps in a swirl or a few strategic dots, rather than flooding the plate. Incorporate fresh herbs, microgreens, or edible flowers for a pop of color and a touch of sophistication. Always ensure your garnishes are edible and complement the dish's flavors, making every bite a delightful experience. Finally, remember that cleanliness and simplicity are key. Always wipe the rim of your plate clean before serving to ensure a professional presentation. Avoid the temptation to overcrowd the plate. Sometimes less is truly more. Focus on a few high-quality ingredients, allowing their natural beauty to shine through. A clean, uncluttered plate elevates the entire dining experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.